Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining scope and getting immediate feedback. This saves hours later. Run an automated scanner like Axe or Lighthouse to flag obvious problems and export results. Next, test keyboard navigation and focus order manually because automation misses context. Make quick fixes for missing focus outlines and unreachable controls. Once done, check color contrast ratios and labels, relabel unlabeled controls. These first actions let you prioritize. Fix high-impact, low-effort issues first so users see rapid improvement. Now dig into structure and semantics. You must change code, not just styles. Replace divs with buttons and headings where applicable, because semantic elements give screen readers meaning without extra area. Make form fields explicit with labels and associate them programmatically, and add concise alt text to images so content reads correctly. Also, ensure logical tab order and visible focus states, and implement a skip-to-content link for keyboard users. These steps improve comprehension and navigation for assistive tech across your site. Finish by validating with real users. Recruit 1 to 3 people using keyboard or a screen reader because their feedback catches nuance. Rerun automated tests and confirm fixes in staging, then document changes so future teams replicate good patterns. If something breaks, reproduce the issue, isolate the component, and check for area misuse or CSS overrides. Those are common culprits. If necessary, roll back the change and apply a phased fix. Above all, keep communicating with stakeholders so accessibility stays integrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.